Today I'm showing you how to replace the front turn signal bulb on a 2013 BMW X1. So first thing you're going to want to do is turn your steering wheel all the way to the opposite side that you're doing. You can do this either way. You just want to cut the wheel basically. If it's straightforward, it blocks this. If you turn it the other way, you also get a little more access, but if it's on the ground, I usually just turn it this way. Up here there's these little quarter turn deals, these little plastic fasteners. You just turn those about 90 degrees counterclockwise, and then this plastic panel pops out. It just pulls out of the bottom there. So you turn that and pull straight up on it. With that cover up out of the way, this is the bulb you're going for right there. This one. So you pretty much just get your hand up here like this, turn it counterclockwise a few degrees, and then pull it straight out. So with it out, all you want to do is push the bulb inwards. I'm sorry, this is difficult to do with the camera here, but you want to push it inwards and turn it counterclockwise a few degrees. So that's it. So make sure check the plug for corrosion. Check the little terminals right here. See, this one's kind of won't focus. This one has a little bit of, it's melted from high resistance. There was some corrosion at that connector, so you want to just sand that down a little bit, make sure it's shiny metal where it contacts, or replace the socket altogether, which would be a better way to do it. And then stick the new bulb in. You can't really screw this up with those with the two fingers on the bulb, and that's it. So put it back in, turn it clockwise a little bit, stick this whole thing back in there, clock it until it pops into place, and then you're good to go. So thanks for watching.